Hi again. I'd like to continue our discussion of circles and Xcode here. And I have a couple challenges for you. So I did an example here where I placed some objects in a circle. Let's take another look at it. Right, it's in all of its amazing glory here. Right, we've got eight circles. They all or eight squares, and they all go around a circle. They're positioned around the center point. And I have an example here, a couple animated GIFs as challenges for you. So you can take the code here and then you can try and modify it to do the things here. So this first one, all of the circles fade in together. So they're actually, there's a short animation there where they fade in, right? And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at this one. And in this one, you can see that they all fade in, but they do it in a sequence, right? One after the other, okay? And then we have another one here where the circles, they come up from the bottom and then they end in the position here of a circle, right? And then what else do we got here? Here you can see on this one, they all kind of come out from the center circle, in a sequence, right? And then this one, what I did here is instead of using a UI view, right, just a colored square, I used a UI label, okay? So imagine that this is a label, and you can put any text you want in there. It could be, names of options in your app or something like, status, and, send a message or whatever, right? I just put the information here. So this is like the T value, and then below it is the X and the Y. Okay, so the idea here is to configure the label properly and get a label to display around the outside there, because label kind of has its own issues with how it gets displayed, right? So anyway, these are your challenges, and I'll put a link to these in the video comments, so you can go to my GitHub site and find this page and see these examples here, and then you can try and recreate these on your own. Okay, and good luck. These are not hard to do, and a lot of it I've kind of done here for you, but, each one of these kind of introduces a new idea. So I think that there's a lot to learn from this, and I think like circles are interesting design wise, and, I don't know, it kind of poses its own little bit of a challenge that's a little different from just putting things in rows and columns, right? So anyway, thanks for watching and good luck with that.